I love graff ever since I was a kid when I saw it, but skating, yeah, like elementary school, early 90s. And then it's sort of my interest from skating shift towards graff, and that's where I put all my energy, I would say, like mid to late 90s. So. KEMs, KEMer, KEM5, 3A, GSK, VMD, Fly ID. Yo, the name has no significance. I kind of picked it because the letters are easy to style, they look good. So kind of stuck with it. I think graffiti found me. As a kid, I would see it on the trains. I freaking loved it. Never really got introduced formally to graff until I started skating. Yeah, a lot of the kids I was skating with were super into tagging. A lot of the spots we went to just had like graff, so it was naturally sort of a nice introduction. So yeah, that's how I got into it. I've always loved trains because, there's some sort of romanticism attached to it. I feel like every kid loves trains. I don't know, just like hanging out, playing on them. They're awesome, and like then you find out they go all over North America, Canada, Mexico. The idea of like being a hobo, riding the trains. I don't know, so many. Why not love trains? A layup near my folks' house, and we would just like go down there and paint. Super chill. No one really was doing freights at the time, but yeah, I don't know. It's just never really gave it some thought that it would be something so big. Especially in the 90s, I was just like getting into painting. We're just like, oh, it's another surface, but looking back on it, you realize how significant freight culture is and what it's become, and I feel blessed. It's past the hobby now. It's pretty much a lifestyle. So, I honestly, I'll probably just keep going until I physically can't do it anymore. I think my emphasis has changed more so. It's about like the experience and being able to meet new people and, just have fun. Painting is sort of like the vehicle now, as opposed to where it was just about painting and not so much about like, other experiences. So, just trying to be present in the moment, enjoy the people around me, enjoy what graff has brought into my life, both good and bad. That's kind of where I'm at.